Here we come to A-Level Physics 2001, question 3. Stone is projected at 45 degrees and follows a projectile motion, and when it goes back to the original level here. Okay, so the question asks us, when the stone is halfway up here, its kinetic energy is equals to what? Originally, we have a Ke of E. So it is moving with a speed v with a Ke equals E. Now we can resolve this velocity into the horizontal component and vertical component. Note that because 45 degrees is midway between the horizontal and vertical. Midway, that means in the middle. So the horizontal component of the motion would have half the Ke, and the vertical part of the motion would have half the Ke. Now, when it is at the highest point, here, we know that the horizontal part would remain the same. That is, horizontal part is having half E. However, the vertical part would vanish. The vertical upward velocity will become slower until it becomes 0. There is no vertical upward velocity. So for the vertical part of the motion, Ke becomes 0. Now, so you can imagine, what if we are at the midway, halfway up. Okay, so that means the level is halfway. Here, this distance is equal to this distance. So here we have the same horizontal Ke, half E, but for the vertical part, Ke would be equals to and the average between the highest point, which is 0, and the lowest point, which has half E. So the Ke would be 1/4E here. Now if we add that up at this position, total Ke would be equals to 1/4E plus 1/2E. So it would be equals to 3/4E. Therefore, the answer is C.